how much should you actually spend on a robot vacuum? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, ROP Vacnic Robot Vacuum. Meet the ROP Vacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Priced at just $109.99, it stands out for its powerful 5200 PA suction and smart features. If you want a solid cleaning solution without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5200 PA suction power means it can pick up even stubborn dirt and pet hair with ease. It features adjustable electric mopping, which allows you to choose how much water to use based on the stains you're tackling. Plus, it's designed for both hardwood floors and low-pile carpets, making it versatile enough for most homes. With over 9,000 units sold in the past month, people are clearly finding value here. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced mapping features. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss vacuum that does the job well, this isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for quick cleans and everyday messes. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable vacuum that can handle pet hair and various floor types. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end features like room mapping or are only cleaning large carpeted areas. Now, if the ROP Vacnic's basic features bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach with advanced technology. Product number 2, Shark AV2501S AI Ultra. Next up is the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra, priced at $467. This one caught my eye because it promises a lot of smart features and deep cleaning capabilities. If you want thorough cleaning and pet hair management, this could be the right fit for you. This vacuum uses powerful suction to tackle dirt on all types of floors, ensuring no spots are missed thanks to its matrix clean navigation. This means it sweeps in a grid pattern, making multiple passes over messes for a deeper clean. Plus, the self-emptying base holds up to 30 days of debris, so you won't have to worry about emptying it frequently. It's particularly perfect for pet owners, since it captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, which is a huge relief for allergy sufferers. Now, some reviews mention that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that pulls its weight and doesn't require constant attention, the slight noise might not deter you. This is an excellent choice if you have pets and want a hands-free solution for cleaning. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or have minimal mess to clean up. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a budget-friendly yet effective cleaner. Product number 3, TCOM G8000 Max Mop. Now, let's talk about the TCOM Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, priced at $113.99. This one really surprised me with its strong suction power and dual functionality. If you're looking for a solid vacuum that can also mop, this is worth considering. With 5,000 pascals of suction, it can easily pick up pet hair, dust, and debris from various floor types. The innovative vacuum and mop combo allows you to clean and mop simultaneously, cutting your cleaning time in half. The 150-minute battery life is impressive too, meaning it will tackle most homes in one go without needing a recharge. It even has smart sensors to prevent falls and collisions, making it user-friendly. Now, some users have pointed out that it doesn't handle very thick carpets well. Here's the thing though. If your home primarily has hard floors or low-pile carpets, this is still a fantastic choice without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option that covers both vacuuming and mopping. Skip this if you have mostly high-pile carpeting and need something more powerful. Now, if you need something with even more advanced features, check out the next one. Product number 4, Shark Matrix Clean AV2511AE. Next is the Shark Matrix Clean AV2511AE, priced at $418. It's built for serious cleaning, especially for homes with pets. If you want something that can handle everything from fur to allergens, keep listening. It features both powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll to keep pet hair from wrapping around the bristles. The self-emptying base can hold up to 60 days of debris, making maintenance a breeze. Matrix Clean technology ensures your vacuum covers every inch of your home, sweeping in a precise grid for complete coverage. Plus, it has smart mapping capabilities that can adapt to your home's layout. Some users found the app connectivity to be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, if you value deep cleaning and can manage occasional tech hiccups, this vacuum is still a strong contender. This is ideal if you have multiple pets and need a robust cleaning solution. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler without smart tech. Now, if you want something that combines powerful features but at a more budget-friendly price, you'll want to check out our final pick. Product number 5, TCOM L8000 Plus. Finally, we have the TCOM L8000 Plus, priced at $219.99. This robot combines smart features with great performance. If you're looking for a mid-range option that doesn't skimp on functionality, this is worth your attention. With a whopping 6,000 pass suction power and a 3-liter self-emptying dustbin, it can handle pet hair and dirt without frequent emptying. Its LiDAR navigation scans and maps your home in real time, adjusting to obstacles as it cleans. Plus, it can mop while vacuuming, making it an efficient 2-in-1 solution for busy households. However, some users mentioned that the mapping can take a little time to set up properly. Here's the thing though, once it's set, the convenience of customized cleaning zones is a huge advantage for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful and intelligent vacuum that makes cleaning easier. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward, no-fuss vacuum. That brings us to the end of our top picks. Each of these robots has strengths to suit different needs and budgets.
So, to recap, the ROP VacNic is great for budget-conscious folks, while the Shark AV2501S offers advanced features for pet owners. The TCOM G8000 Max is a solid combo vacuum and mop, with the Shark Matrix Clean providing powerful performance. Finally, the TCOM L8000 Plus brings smart features at a mid-range price. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle best.